Hello everybody, my name is Hardik Pandey. I live in Mathura at Pushpanjali and I am pursuing in 9th class, and my hobbies are playing cricket, doing crafting and reading books, and my quality is I am sincere and my aim is to become a software engineer. Today I have got a very good topic, science is boom and bane, and I choose boom. Boom.
How can you say?
uh, boon because in this generation technology is very compulsory for us, because in our small phone all information are available in our phone.
All the information.
All the information is available in our phone, and we understand everything in our phone, and science also gives very good advantages in our lives, and then and then anything comes our earth, so science also automatically find out what finds how big and what is the speed of astronaut he comes our earth, and they blast in space like this. So what is
So hello friends, this is Bharat Singh in front of you all, and I am studying in its class from Jawahar Vidyalaya College, and my hobbies are playing to cricket and learning books.
Not playing to cricket.
Playing cricket and reading books, and my aim is to become a doctor in my life, and I belong to Mathura. So today I have got a very good topic, is science bane or boon? So he chose boon, and I will debate him. So you said that we can due to mobile phone, in the mobile phone there are many apps like Google and YouTube, and
Yes.
we can get knowledge from that. So is there no vulgar scene, and is there no bad things?
but those people who want knowledge, they can't see, they do not see these things.
They don't
Don't look there. Okay, look here.
And you know, in earlier times people was die because in earlier time there are no doctors, because in earlier there were no doctors, and
so at the
and so many accidents.
so first tell me that how many years did the people used to live?
For how many years?
Yes, sir.
What was the age of people?
The
What
technology,
was the average at that time? First only tell me that.
okay, like 80 to 70 years.
80 to
And so many people
80
were killed, were die because
Were killed.
because they people have so many
The
like
people have or had?
so many problems
Okay.
in our
Okay,
body.
so-
Those people had died.
So first
And
tell me.
that-
So you want to say that at this generation many machines have been invited
Yes, they
by
do.
Invented.
have been invented by scientists and people.
Yes, machine also help our work
Okay,
easily.
so first listen to me. Don't interrupt.
Yes.
So first tell me that due to vehicles and due to machines, is pollution not increasing? Definitely pollution is
Yes, but-
increasing. So first listen to me.
Please.
Please listen to me. So pollution is increasing. So at the time there were no machines, and they used to they used to get die, and so
Why do you get? They used to die.
there were if there were no machines, then they used to die. But at this time, are the people not die by due to pollution
You know
and
that,
due to
you know that in
environment?
earlier times that people had killed so many other like
So people used to die.
so people used to die agar if now there are no technology, so people can one by one and तब से लेके से अब तक,
So
ever since so many people had killed,
Okay.
so many people have
killed,
मतलब they have killed.
Have
Or
died.
they have died.
they have died.
Okay.
Kill means to kill somebody.
Okay,
They have
okay.
And
died.
scientists also research how we save our environment.
How can we?
How can we save our environment? And scientists also सर लगाए pumps लगाए हैं oxygen
Science have set up
has set up oxygen pumps.
Okay.
Those the pumps give so many oxygen.
Okay, so you want to say that in ancient time, due to lack of science, the people used to die. Okay, so I want to ask that at this time and in this generation, due to the pollution, are people not dying, or first tell me that due to which pollution is increasing?
Okay,
Tell me.
you are-
No, first tell me only it that you is pollution increasing or not?
Yes, also yes, increasing.
Pollution is increasing. So first tell me that due to science, scientists used many pumps of oxygen. So
Yes.
why did they use that pumps? Why did they use? First tell me.
You do not want to take oxygen.
Don't you want to take
Don't-
oxygen?
don't you want to take
I already
oxygen?
told you, helping
Yes.
her.
So is it not environment?
Don't you want to take oxygen?
I want to take, but is it not in environment? Why do we need to? Why do we help only pumps?
Why do we need to take the help of pumps?
Why do we need to take the help of pumps?
Because in generation, so many pollutions increase.
So much of pollution.
So much of pollution increase. So scientists save our environment.
So why the pollution is increasing? Due to science?
And you know, earlier times the pollution is also because
Pollution was also there.
pollution was also there because in winters we people burnt the woods, so they decreased the plants, and that is good for our environment.
Wait, that was not good, sir.
Was that good for?
Sir, that was loose as compared to
That was?
So इस समय के pollution से कम था वो.
That was less than.
That was less than at
No,
this
and
pollution.
also-
Why was it? If you are using vehicles, then it will be also added in the pollution of burning. So it will be increasing so fastly.
You
So
know-
if they used to or suppose and I'm telling one thing also, if they used to burn the trees, then they also used to grow the trees also. So due to it, the pollution used to be clean.
You know, if technology is now technology is available, so you know, at the time of dinosaurs, scientists research that the astronaut was come and
And astronauts came.
and destroy our earth. Destroyed our earth. And now its generation, since suppose there is no technology, so in ऐसा बीता हुआ समय में in past so many astronauts will came
In the past?
Came our earth, so
On
they
the
died
earth.
on the earth. And you know, one astronaut came our India.
In India.
So the astronaut destroyed our India, but you know that.
No,
Do you know
I
that?
don't know that. And how can you say that that person, that astronaut destroyed the India? Do you have
No,
any
the India.
India?
Because
And
they
do you have any proof?
Yes, you search on YouTube, you search on
Can,
Google,
can.
you can search on
So
YouTube
no,
and Google.
I will search on YouTube, but I want a proof just now.
Okay, and suppose you have any problem in your body and you do not know what problem was have in my body, so you can't सही कर पाना.
You can't recover.
You can't recover. So but now this generation, there are so many machines.
Okay, there are so many machines. So I also agreed with you that it is a benefit of science. But are the machines, sir, doctor की machines, are the machines of doctor not creating the pollution? And due to science, only machines due to science only machines were not made, and the vehicles also made. So the pollution is increasing fastly as compared to our ancient time.
You see in Russia, Russian government makes the vehicles, makes the electronic vehicles. Okay, and India also make 15 lakh 15. India also makes like 1 to 15 crore more like battery cars. Okay, so government also want na कि our environment will be safe.
So yes, why does the government wants? Because
Why does the government wants?
why does government want to clean our environment? It knows that the environment has already polluted by the vehicles, and so it is a what should I say, it is a disadvantage of science. And why do we need to take help of oxygen pumps? Because due to science the environment became dirty and the environment polluted. Okay, and why do we
Environment was polluted.
environment नहीं से बना है,
Has been polluted.
environment has been polluted, and why do we need the help of, what did he say, why do we need the help of clean our environment? Because it has been polluted by the vehicles and by the science. So it is a disadvantage of science.
Your father
and
have-
if science
your father have
first
any
listen
car
to
and-
me.
Hey, let him
Your father have any
I-
car and bike?
My
now
father,
speak.
oh yes, my father has.
So why he bought the car and bike?
Why did he buy?
Why did he buy the car and bike? The car and bike also polluted our environment.
So he bought
You say na, you
he
say
bought-
father stop.
Yes, he bought. I will tell you. And he why?
I can't tell you.
Okay,
I'm not
so he bought it. He bought it because he bought it because due to it we can reach anywhere easily. Okay,
So,
but
okay,
first
I say
listen to
I
me.
say
First
this point na.
listen to me.
I say this
First
point.
listen- First listen to me. I
Let
will
him,
tell.
let him, let him.
I will tell another thing also. I will tell another thing.
Okay.
But we should have the power. We should have the power.
Power.
We should have the power due to which we can reach anywhere by our foot.
I ask this point na.
On foot.
Your father go easily by bikes.
father?
Goes easily by bikes. If your father have no bike, so your father goes by foot. On foot. So,
Not by, on foot.
so he too late.
He will be too late.
He will be too late.
Okay, he will be.
And you
too late,
and you
sir.
suppose there are two mountains, okay, and in between the mountain there was a river, okay. So now in this generation government makes the pull to travel easily
Bridge.
to travel easily by one mountain to another mountain. And okay, and in earlier times people so many people were be died. So
Many people used to die.
Because in night there was
At night?
there was no any torch, there was no any light, so they goes into the dunes.
They used to go.
They used to go into the dunes mean khai, okay.
Yes.
And ditches and like this and okay, and sir थोड़ी आगे जाके so after some time they used to travel long, okay.
Okay, so first tell me that was there no wood due to which they can they could make bridge, and they used to make bridge.
How
Because ancient time before inventing the bikes and vehicles, there were screw pitch also.
No, you tell
and
me
many-
na how ancient people makes bridge one mountain to another
Okay,
mountain. They are not a
so
super.
I was telling that they had wood and they had sir हथियार, मतलब कि
Weapons.
they had weapons also, due to which they can cut the wood, and they could cut the wood, and due to it they could make the, what should I say,
Bridge.
they could make the bridge. But in this generation in making and in building any type of bridge, the pollution is increasing, because we have to use machines, and machine creates smoke. So that was an advantage, that we, without creating pollution, we can make bridge by wood.
कैन यू टेल मी सर, मतलब एक ब्रिज, उस लकड़ी के ब्रिज को वन माउंटेन से सेकंड माउंटेन तक लेके कैसे आते हैं?
How would you
हाउ वुड यू
carry
carry
The bridge.
the bridge one
From-
side to second
from-
side, from one side to
Okay.
second side.
So
Yes.
so suppose it is a mountain and it is a mountain. So they will start.
And,
they
and,
will.
and there was a dune, and in the dune.
Yes, I'm telling.
And okay, and in the dune, the valley was go.
Okay.
The valley.
Okay.
The valley goes.
So
The valley
first
goes.
of all, they
And the
will-
valley
they
was-
will-
and the valley
okay,
was more
don't-
deeply.
Don't you know? Sir, don't you know? And there are so many bamboos.
Yes,
Okay.
I know.
So
but
they-
you say bamboos are 1 kilometer long.
So it can't. So first.
Conditions are there.
So first tell me that why do the people need to go to any mountain from one mountain?
Because they sold out our things for live
For living.
for living.
Or for our
So, okay.
livelihood.
Okay.
But,
Okay.
first-
In this
first
generation,
listen to me.
in this
Sir,
generation.
sir.
Okay. In this generation, you have to money.
You have to
Money.
have money.
You have money for
You
live.
have to have money
You have to have
Money.
money for live
for living.
for living.
Or
So
for your livelihood.
so like this condition was in earlier.
I could not get it the word.
If any people have no money, so how he living?
How can
How
he?
can he live?
So didn't the people have money in the
Didn't the
NC have
people?
money?
Didn't the people?
Didn't the people have money
And you know, in
ancient
earlier time, the kings अत्याचारी.
No, first
They
listen to
used
me. First tell
they
the
used to persecute.
first
And
answer my
you know,
question.
and
First
you know that
answer
in
my
earlier
question.
time, and you know when the kings
Give the more chances to beginners. Okay.
when the king were ruled, so
When the kings ruled,
when the kings ruled, so
they used to
they used to
persecute.
persecute our public. But now in this generation, there are government,
There is government.
and law is equal for all people.
So is it due to science? It is due
No,
to mind. It
science,
is not due to
science
science.
also increase government. Science also government
Okay,
is
but-
also a part of science.
Okay, government is also. But first tell me that did the people of ancient time didn't
you know,
the
in
people
earlier-
of ancient time have money?
And you know, okay. And you know,
Yes.
okay. And you suppose you live in earlier time. Okay. And
Ancient time.
Asian time, and any people beat you. Okay, so you can't report in police station because there was no police in earlier times. But now in this generation there is police. There are so many police stations. You complain and arrest
You
him.
can
You can complain and arrest him.
Okay. So at that time there were sarpanch also. So didn't we used to go to sarpanch?
But so many people were also killed the sarpanch.
So many people also
Killed the sarpanch.
killed the
Okay.
sarpanch.
So the village. So sir, ekta, what do we call
Unity.
it? Yes, sir.
Unity.
Unity. So in the village and in the people of ancient time there was unity. Then they all together, they all the all population of the village together they started beating the person who killed sarpanch. And they started beating that, and they also killed the person who killed the sarpanch. So there was unity.
You see this type of scene anywhere?
Yes.
Where?
So my father tell and so now you
Your
are
father tell
now
now,
you,
but you-
okay I'm saying, and at this time also that so कृषि वो
Agriculture.
so agriculture कानून सब कृषि कानून
Agricultural law.
agriculture law so
Agrarian law.
agrarian law and so don't you know the farmers are not agreed with the farmers are not agreed with the
Farmers
government.
don't agree.
So
Don't agree.
don't agree with the government. So are they not together, and are they not
United.
are they not united at this time?
Sometimes government takes wrong decisions. Okay, but let me explain. You
So like this-
you want to become a doctor.
Yes.
You want to become a doctor. So why do you want to become a doctor? You are not lying science,
No, I want to become a doctor because
but you don't like science.
I like science also, but it is a topic. Then we had to choose anything.
Okay, okay, you know that this was coming this is come in 8th
These
class.
people want to go through the machines and all, so what can I do?
Okay, in our country, in our
What
world,
kind of a lawyer are you?
in our world, there are 7 continents. Okay, India, mostly India. In our world, there are 7 continents, and India sold our things by mostly by land. But like in Chennai, in Madurai, they sold out our things in other continents. So they use boats, and when they sold out anything in Europe, so India is here and Europe is here. So ships go for long travel and along Africa continent, and after then North America, and like several years.
Okay. So first tell me, everybody knows that in ancient time the people didn't use to
Explain it.
let me.
And India makes also Suez Canal. Yeah, I know in Egypt. So they used to go in Europe. Yeah, like
Okay. Okay.
So this is matlab,
Don't
this
tell with indications, just tell with
so
words.
this is possible by technology. Okay.
So
You know in earlier time this sir ये नहीं हो सकता था.
It wasn't possible.
It wasn't possible because people do not dig 45,000 kilometer.
okay. So first tell me that that the people of ancient time used to grow the grains and they used to sell them together. First listen to me. First listen to me.
You mean now in this generation people do not grow crops. So how you live?
First listen to me.
Okay.
After that you should ask. Okay.
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 Don't interrupt me in the middle. Okay. So they used to they grow up the grains and they used to sell them in the middle. They used to sell them together, or and then due to which they used to earn the money. And if they want to vyapar karna sir,
Trade.
if they want to trade the things with other countries, then they at that time they also had boats.
I know, but these
So
boats
first
have
tell
no
me-
so these boats have no motors. So how they
So first tell me, have you
say
not read the history of India? The Britannians used to come British would come to India
so
for trade.
for your knowledge,
So first tell me,
okay.
how could they come?
Okay, for your knowledge, when ancient time people grew crops, so there are so many like bacteria लग जाती थी crops पर.
There were
There,
bacteria.
but in this generation there was fertilizers. They kill the fertilize. So fertilize kills the bacteria and grow more crops than ancient times and sold out so farmers earn more earning.
Are earning more.
So do you not want to more earning?
Yes, everyone wants to earn more.
So
but
do you say na कि in ancient time there was no tractors.
yes.
There were no tracks.
There were no tractors. There were no machines.
Yes. Okay. So now listen to me. That at that time the people and the people had many
Like bullock carts.
Ways.
many ways to
methods.
take out the dust from the grains. And you said that we should we have fertilizers now.
But you know-
First listen to me.
Okay.
Okay, that we have many we have fertilizers. Okay, so didn't the fertilizer harm our crops also?
Why? Farmers kill bacteria and other. So he completed.
But you speak.
But fertilizers kill bacteria and other harmful insects. So how you say fertilizer?
How can you say?
How can you say fertilizer is harmful for our crops?
Definitely, also of
Give
some
me a
parts.
reason. Give me a reason. Fertilizer is harmful for our crops.
No, it is definitely.
No, you say na fertilizer is
So
harmful.
I am telling that definitely, and I studied in my science book that fertilizer harms some part of some part of सर उसको क्या बोलते हैं, कीटाणु विनाशक जो होता है,
Pesticide.
Pesticides.
Pesticides.
pesticides. I have studied this in my science book that pesticides harm for some part of the tree. Definitely.
Okay, name the part of the tree.
What? Why are you asking me like this?
No, you say na pesticides.
said.
You said pesticides is harmful for our plants. So which part is harmful?
So many parents in the
Please give
it
me the
happens
answer.
it happens inside the tree. So how can't I can't tell you that,
Any zoologist can tell you, right?
yes.
So the part of the plant which is damaged by pesticides is not written in your book. So how you say that?
How?
Can you say that?
It is written in my book, but
It is written, so
now I can't explain.
The
I
part
can't
is
explain.
also written in your book.
Yes, but everything we can't remember. Everything we can remember any type of important thing which is written in our book.
And you know in
Nuclear
earlier
weapons, bombs, or AC, light.
Yeah.
So many things are there to talk about.
and you know in ancient times people drink
People used to drink
people used to drink हर तरह का पानी,
every kind of
water but so they were
They
ill.
got ill. Okay, so at
But
this
nowadays
time,
there are so
okay,
many
so at this
machines.
time, don't you know that river Ganga is so dirty, and the rivers and the pond of that time were so cleaned. Everybody knows it.
But government also take machines to clean the
Government
river.
also
Take machine, kept machine,
takes
machine to
So
clean
why
the river.
so why does the government need the help of machines? Because the river
Why do
became
you say,
polluted
why
due
do you
to
say
science.
government need the help of machines? Because this is the generation of machines.
Okay, it is the generation, but if the river Ganga didn't become, if the river Ganga would not haven't become polluted, then why does the government need the help of machines? And it became dirty due to the science, because many the plastic
science-
things are
so
there
science
which we throw into the river.
So science also clean up the river Ganga. Na?
So I am saying that why do we need science for cleaning this river? If science would not be there, then the river also will be
Why do you
cleaned.
drink
Science
clean
hadn't
water?
been there.
Why do you drink
Contrafactual.
clean water?
Contrafactual. If science hadn't existed,
Yes, if science hadn't existed, then we would not need the machines.
Why do you need to drink? Why do you need to drink pure water?
We
Because
need-
in pure water there are so many minerals. There
Yes,
are protein.
definitely.
So why you drink?
We drink because
why do you drink?
yes, we drink because we live healthy by drinking that.
That's why our environment is healthy. Government is. So the government clean up the river Ganga.
Okay. So weren't the water of ancient time not cleaned? The pond's water was so cleaned, and now the water of Ganga is begin.
And you know in ancient
polluted.
times there are so many pakka roads like.
Were
There were no so many roads and there were so many houses. Those makes the sands and
made of
sands. And when the earthquake
when the earthquake
when the earthquake came, so in night in day anytime, so sand house उनके ऊपर गिर जाता, collapsed and people were die. People were died.
Were died is passive by somebody.
But in Pakka house this is not happen.
Okay.
It doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen.
Okay. So at this time it doesn't happen.
No.
According to you.
No.
So in the you definitely have read it in newspaper.
You must have read.
It in newspaper that Kivan, that was a name, Kivan. So Tufan, what do we call in English?
Storm.
Storm is there named Kivan. So it came in. I have forgot. Maybe it is in Himachal Pradesh. So why did the
Japan is also a country where
why
earthquake
did the people went away from that
Why
place?
did the people
Went away.
went?
Went
Why did?
the people go away from that from that
when you
place.
come when will you come in ninth class? You read.
When will you come? When you came.
When you came in ninth class, you read the chapter
You
weather.
read.
You read the chapter weather. So you understand why this land, why in this place the storms are come mostly. Okay.
So
Now come to the conclusion.
okay, so
Okay, this is not my all topics of science, and in next time I give my all information about science.
Okay.
So this is it all was my views on science. So according to me, in last, I think that science is bane or boon also. It is both for us.
Good.